Hey, how's it going, everybody? Mopar Mike from Nielsen Dodge Chrysler Jeep Ram. Had a customer that just recently reached out to me about the four-wheel drive in the Wranglers. I did post a video, an official video from the FCA to help out, but I figured, since I'm trying to figure out this whole Facebook Live thing, that I would go ahead and do a Facebook Live video as well of me actually in one of our Wranglers and taking care of how to switch from two-wheel drive to four-wheel drive in the Wrangler. So come take a look. So right now, as you can see, we are inside the Wrangler, and I already have the vehicle running. You'll see here in the corner, the vehicle is currently in two-wheel high. In the center console, you have your shifter, and then you have the shifter for the transfer case. So you can actually do this either in park or in drive. Doesn't really matter. I'll show you both. It does take a little bit of effort, so you have to actually pull on it a little bit hard, but you just go from two-wheel drive down to four-wheel. You'll see that on your dash, it'll switch from two-wheel high to four-wheel high right there. There's no question, you'll know that you're in four-wheel high. If I put it back, you'll see putting it in drive.